Hey there, happy Halloween. This year I transformed into Poison Ivy. This is how I did it. Well, you're gonna need a few supplies. Some glue, scissors, elastic, pretty ribbon, and a couple of meters of mesh fabric. A gorgeous corset, shoes, green tights, and other accoutrements. And last but not least, ivy. Lots of ivy. Let's get started, shall we? Now, grab your beautiful ivy and start cutting the leaves off the vine. In order to be Mother Nature, one must wear Mother Nature. Using your fabric glue, start gluing the ivy leaves to the corset. I used this old thing I had lying around. You can, of course, use anything you have to hand. This may take some time, so get comfortable. And of course, make sure you have some snacks. You never know when hunger will strike. I highly recommend these quinoa chips. They are just delightful. So once you finish your corset, front and back, it should look a little bit like this. It is cute, no? So that is the corset done. Well done you. Let's make this cape to finish the look. Lay your mesh on a flat surface and fold in half. Pin and sew along the edge that is folded, closing the fold and creating a right angle. Once you turn it to the right side, it should resemble a simple hood. Try this on for size and mark where you want the hood to start. Do this on both sides. You can now place the ribbon where the markings are to become the ties of the cape. Pin the ribbon to one side and then the other, leaving some ribbon free on both edges and then opening out the cape to make sure it's straight. Then you need to sew along the top and bottom edges of the ribbon to create a channel for the elastic. Just like that. Look at that, isn't it pretty? The elastic only needs to be half the size of the cape. Goody. Thread the elastic through using a safety pin. It will be much easier, darling, if you do it this way. Once it's through to the other side, pin the elastic in place and then sew it so it doesn't go anywhere. Make sure you do this for both sides. Trim off any excess threads or elastic, and that's it. You're all done. You have finished your cape. Doesn't it look fabulous? I created these snazzy eyepieces using felt, some leftover leaves, and some glue. Aren't they pretty? All you need is a little bit of eyelash glue and they'll stick right to your head. Isn't that just amazing? All that's left now is to put all these pieces together and see the final transformation. So that is how I transformed into Poison Ivy. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, then hit that like button. Send me a comment, let me know how fabulous I am, darling. And if you haven't already, then subscribe, or you'll be sorry. And I'll see you guys soon.